Thanks, Trevor. And this is the expert studio. I'm joined by Ndindi Nyoro. He is the lawmaker representing Kiiru constituency, who as well chairs the National Assembly's Budget Committee. He is joined by Dr. Joy Kiiru, who is an economic expert from the University of Nairobi, and also Ndindi Mureithi, who is the former governor, Laikipia County, and a member of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition political party. I first come to you, Dr. Joy Kiiru. 365 days later, does the reality match the pledge made by the government?
Thank you so much for that question. I am privileged because almost one year ago, I sat in this same seat, in this same studio, and I told Kenyans, come on, people are asking for your vote. What do you expect them to tell you? And I told Kenyans about a year ago, what you are seeing is persuasive rhetoric. Something to help with the objective of winning the vote. And I told Kenyans, what you are hearing, that is the main objective, to get into power, to get into office. And I told Kenyans, now, if you look at the indicators of what happens to whoever comes into this power, you can only see how much hard work they have ahead of them. Like, for example, we were inheriting an economy whose debt was about 70% GDP. We were inheriting an economy whereby the global economic situation was not encouraging at all. We were seeing fuel shocks. We were seeing a war in Ukraine complicating the food situation. And we were seeing already Kenya was undergoing through a drought, and the sector of agriculture was already receding. That is, it was going down even before they took off power because of a drought and so many other challenges. And so we told Kenyans, whatever you are hearing now, no, the objective is to get into power.
Okay.
When they get into power, the job begins.
Okay. Well noted, Daktari. Coming to you, Honorable